our 3 glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 78 inches, a depth of 27¼ inches, and height with wheels, we have a total of 78½ inches tall. Left, center, and right swing doors, and included are 12 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 24 inches in length by 19½ inches in depth. Length and depth applies for each of the 12 shelves that will be included. Shelves can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference, and please note that the shelves are not assembled in this video, but they will be included. For the interior dimensions for the refrigerator, we have a length of 74 inches in length, 21 inches in depth, and a height of 53 inches tall. LED strips located on the left and right corners, and coming to the left side will be the ETL certification. Coming to the bottom are your 2 switches, one for power and the other for light, and right next to it is the temperature control. Voltage for this refrigerator is 110 and 120. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.